All right, well, out there, we're not going to be doing too much of a head fake with the forecast here, but let's just show you what Alex is expected to do. Right now, it's just a tropical storm, winds at 65 miles an hour, and it's going to continue to weaken into just a remnant low as it continues to move off to the northeast. But still, it could cause some problems out in Bermuda, and you can see as we look a little closer to home, we're not dealing with a whole lot of problems. Actually, it looks pretty nice out there. A little warm, a little sticky, but not too bad. Beautiful start as we look out onto the city, and take a look at this. I am not a good water skier. I don't even know if you can go water skiing at Buckeye Lake, but I can tell you what, that's perfect. That's just some glass out there. And I tell you what, it is nice and calm as we look out onto Buckeye Lake. And as we look at your temperatures, we've dropped to 65 here in town. We're at 61 in Delaware, looking at 58 in Coshocton. Generally in the mid to upper 50s to right around the low to mid 60s. Take a look at the winds, though. They're coming out of the southeast. This is pumping in some warmer air. We're going to be up into the mid 80s. Also pumping in some more humidity. You may feel it a little stickier today than we have been. That hour-by-hour forecast, though, has us up into the upper 60s by 8. We're talking about 74 at 10 o'clock, into the upper 70s by lunchtime, 82 by 1. We end up with a high right around 84. Warm and muggy. A lot of the day is going to be dry. We could see a passing shower in the mid to late morning southeast of the city. There may be a quick shower or a rumble of thunder in the mid to late afternoon, but a better chance for rain as we head into the evening and into the overnight hours. So we'll be tracking the chance for rain before you know it. This is what we have happening. We got that shower and storm activity out to the west of us, and again, some of that's starting to push in out ahead of a front, but the one thing we have going for us is it's dry. It's still a little muggier than it was yesterday, but still fairly dry at the surface. So some of this is going to evaporate before it gets down to the surface. But again, I won't rule out a shower or two out in southern, southeastern portions of the area. Severe threats. Tornado, not really too much. Is that hail? Nope. Winds, not even here, but out in eastern, or western, I should say, in northwestern Ohio, we will be watching out for the threat for some strong winds. Again, not quite in our area, though. Sunny and nice in the morning, warm and muggy in the afternoon. Storms are arriving. Now, again, we can't rule out a passing shower here or there throughout the morning into the early afternoon, but really the bulk of the action gets through here in the evening, and we'll keep some storms around through the evening and overnight hours as well. This is how the week ahead is coming up. Coolest day going to be Saturday, mid 70s. Warmest day today, mid 80s, so there's not a huge fluctuation in temperature between the highest high temperature and the lowest high temperature. Sunniest day should be Thursday, and the wettest day is going to be tomorrow. So we're looking at this today. Hour by hour, 71 with some sunshine at 9. By lunchtime, 79. We end up at 84. It's going to be a little muggier, and then that rain arrives as we head through the evening into the overnight, getting a little more widespread with some showers and storms and a low of 66. Off and on rain tomorrow. Not an all-day washout. We get most of the rain early. Then we see a little bit of rain late in the day with a high of 79. So hour by hour today, again, you can see chance for a shower to east, southeast of the city as we head through the morning hours. Could see a quick one into the afternoon, but look at this. The bulk of the action out to the west of us rolling through here as we get into the evening hours with some more rain persisting at times overnight. Could see a shower around by tomorrow morning, but we get a little break, and then into the afternoon, another batch of rain pushes through here. It is not going to be an all-day washout, but we are going to track the chance for rain at times tomorrow. And that's why we got 2 red days in a row looking at the threat for some inconvenient weather both days. So best chance for rain today, more widespread at least in the afternoon, really the evening hours. And then overnight into your Tuesday, we have some rain through the morning, little break. Then we have the chance for a little bit of more storm activity in the afternoon. So kind of off and on tomorrow. And then we're looking at cooler weather too. 79 tomorrow, 79 with a lingering shower or two in the far south on Wednesday. We're looking at the mid to upper 70s on Thursday and Friday. Next best chance for rain would be probably, it looks like on Saturday, we'll see the threat for some storms at times. So again, have some inclement weather there. Keep checking back for any changes on that, but we're in the mid 70s this weekend. We'll climb back into the low in the mid 80s as we get on into next week.